Hello, my name is Lexi, and I agree with you, English is not that hard. Wait, did I just say something wrong? Yes, I did. And if you have ever said something like that, don't worry. That's exactly why we're here. Hey, I'm Lexi. Welcome to my channel, the place where we fix the English mistakes that nobody talks about. Today, 5 mistakes that make you sound unnatural. Even if your grammar is perfect. Let's go. Mistake number 1. I am agree with you. Oh no. No. Here's the thing. Agree is already a verb. It doesn't need am to help it. You wouldn't say I want pizza, would you? Same idea. Just say, I agree with you. Simple, clean, natural. Say it with me. I agree. Perfect. Mistake number 2, and this one is common. I am boring. If you say I'm boring, you're not saying you feel bored. You're saying that you are a boring person, that people fall asleep when they talk to you. Is that what you mean? Probably not. Here's the difference. I am boring means you cause boredom. I am bored means you feel bored. One tiny letter. Completely different meaning. Easy rule. Ed is how you feel. Ing is what you cause. Mistake number 3. Can you open the light? I love this one because lights don't have doors. You can't open them. In English we say, turn on the light. Turn off at the light. We turn things on and off. We open and close doors and windows. Different objects, different verbs. Simple as that. Mistake number 4. Make versus do. This one confuses everyone, even advanced learners. So don't feel bad. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Do is for tasks and activities. Things without a specific result. Do your homework. Do the dishes. Do some exercise. Make is for creating something you can see or feel as a result. Make a cake. Make a decision. Make a mistake. And yes, you make a mistake. Say it with me. Make a mistake. Great. Mistake number 5. I want to say you something. Close, but not quite. Here's the difference between say and tell. Tell always needs a person right after it. I want to tell you something. Tell me the truth. Say doesn't need a person. She said something. He said goodbye. But not. She told something. I want to say you. Quick rule. Say plus words. Tell plus person plus words. Got it. Okay, super fast recap. Number 1, I agree. Not I am agree. Number 2, I am bored. Not I am boring. Number 3, turn on the light. Not open. Number 4, make a mistake. Not do. Number 5, tell you. Not say you. 5 mistakes. Now you know. You're already better than yesterday. Which mistake surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson from Lingo L48, because next time, we're talking about idioms that will completely change how you sound in English. See you there. Bye.